The next important topic is electronic configuration of elements. Electronic configuration elements you learned from class 9th and 10th. For example, sodium. Atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. And this electronic configuration is also called shell electronic configuration. That is, according to shell electronic configuration, every element, first two electrons are present on K shell, 8 electrons present on L shell, M 18, N 32. Electronic configuration based on these shells and electrons are called shell electronic configuration. But for class 11th, shell electronic configuration is not important. For class 11th, the important electronic configuration is subshell electronic configuration. So for class 11th and 12th, we will write subshell electronic configuration, because subshell electronic configuration will give a detailed idea about element, where it belong, which group the element belong, which period the element belong, and other properties of elements can easily understand from subshell electronic configuration. So today, this section I am going to teach you about how to write subshell electronic configuration. Clear? For writing subshell electronic configuration, we should know what is subshell and one more rule called Aufbau principle. By knowing these 2 points, we can write subshell electronic configuration of any elements in the periodic table. Clear? Okay. And what is subshell? For example, if shell is K having 2 electrons, the subshell is S. And maximum electron can accommodate in S subshell is 2. Okay, S related to S orbital, and about orbital I will teach you later in chapter atomic structure, because all chapters in chemistry are interconnected. So now just by heart it, there is a subshell called S subshell. Okay, in detail I will teach you later. Okay, L, there are two subshell S, P, and S already is set 2 electron. For P, maximum 6 electron can accommodate. P orbital 6 electron. M, for M, S, P, D 2, 6, and for D orbital 10. Now for N, S, P, D, F 2, 6, 10. See here 2, 6, 10, 2, 6, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 10, 18. Clear? So 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 10, 18. Now what is next number? 14. Clear? So for here S2, P6, D10, F14. So total, after adding 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 14, 32. Okay, so for each shell there are some subshell S, S, P, S, P, D, S, P, D, F. So we can write S. Maximum how many electron can accommodate X? 2. P 6. D 10. F 14. Okay, 2, 6, 10, 14. So just add 4 after each orbital. Add 4 or 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Okay. Aufbau principle. According to Aufbau principle, the electrons are arranged in the increasing order of energy. For example, sodium 2, 8, 1. Why electrons are arranged in this order? Because K shell have low energy, then L shell energy higher than K shell, M energy much higher than k and l. So we are arranging electron like 2, 8, 1. So subshell electronic configuration also we have to follow the energy order. Electron should arrange in the increasing order of energy. And how to understand that energy order? And this picture will help you to understand that. For example, K shell subshell is 1s because K means 1. For L shell, L, K, L, 2. How many subshell SP? Why S2, P6? Total 8 electron. These 2 indicate L. L is 2. K 1. Maximum electron accumulated on K is 2. Then M. M is 18. So S P D. S2 P6. Then D 10. So total 18. And 3 indicate what? KLM. Third shell M. And fourth shell is N. So 4, 4, 4, 4. Then how many subshell S, P, D, F? By N total number of electron is 32. So for S orbital how many electron? 2. P orbital how many electron? 6. D orbital how many electron? 10. F 14. 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 10 18. 18 plus 14 32. Okay. So it become very clear after later I will give some example, it become clear. And how to write the order of electron. This is the order. First 1s. Then you should write 2s. This is the energy increasing order. 1s. Then 2s. Then 2p. So 1s, 2s, 2p. So when you write electronic configuration like 2, 8, like that, we should subshell how to write 1s, 2s, 2p. Then after 2p, 3s. Then 3p. Like this, 3p. Then 4s. Then 3d. Like this, 3d. Then 4p. Then 5s. So it continues like this. If atomic number is very high, sometimes you need to write up to down. If atomic number is less, maybe first 3 or 4, 3 or up to here is enough. If atomic number is less, let's take one example. Okay, from this example it become very clear. So which example will take? So I am rubbing this area. Okay, the body is very small, so you please adjust with it. Okay, for example, take element sodium. Do you remember the atomic number of sodium? 11. What is the shell configuration? 2, 8, 1. K shell 2 electron. Maximum electron accumulated on K shell is 2. Maximum electron accumulated on L is 8. M more than only 1 electron. So write 1. Now how to write subshell electronic configuration? First start 1s. 1s because K 1s. And how many electron maximum accumulate? 2. Because here 11 electron, so you can accumulate 2 electron. You can write 2 electron. What is next? L shell. What are the subshell of L? L K is 1s. L 8. 2s 2p. So 2s 2. 2p 6. So this corresponding to K shell. Okay, and this corresponds to K shell. 2s2 and 2p6 correspond to L shell because 2 plus 6 8. Then after 2p6 3s2. Let's stop here because now add number of electron. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 2 12. But atomic number is 11. So can you write 3s2 here? No. Maximum 2 electron can accumulate, but only 11 electrons are available. So you should write 1 electron less. So here you should write 3s1. You should write 3s1. Now see total 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. Atomic number is 11. Understood. This is the way to write the electronic configuration. I think we can write more examples. Okay, please note it, sodium. Okay, notes I will distribute after this class. Okay. Take another example. Argon. What is atomic number of argon? 18. Then shell electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8. Last year you learned. Now write subshell electronic configuration. What is the order? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. See, 1s, 2s, 2p, then 3s2. Then 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Right after 3p6, 4s2. But count the electron, total number of electron. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So already 18 finished. So no need to write 4s2, write 3p6. The next example is chlorine. What is the symbol of chlorine? Cl. Can you tell the atomic number? Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So 17 means 17 electron or 17 proton. How to write subshell electronic configuration? 1s2, 1s2, 2s2, next 2p6, 2p6, next 3s2. After 3s2, what is next? 3p, 3p. Now just count. Okay, before writing electrons in p orbital, count the total number of electrons up to 3s2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 electron already we entered in the subshells. Now 12 electron already finished. Now how many electrons are there in chlorine? 5 more electrons because total is 17. So how to write 3p5? Understood? Don't write 3p6. Maximum 6 electron can accumulate. But here only 5 is possible because total number of electron is 17. If it is 18, we can write 3p6. Okay, clear? This is about chlorine. Take one more example. For example, fluorine. What is symbol of fluorine? Fluorine 9. Atomic number is 9. How to write electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2 plus 2, 4. So 2p5. Okay, we'll take another simple example. Lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. How to write electronic configuration? 1s2, subshell electron 1s2. Then 2s1 because 2 plus 1, 3. Maximum 2 electron can accumulate in s orbital, but here only 3 electron in lithium. So due to that, write 1 electrons in s, 2s. So 2 plus 1, 3. This is a way to write electronic configuration. I will give one more example. The atomic number more than 18. Elements with atomic number more than 18. For example, take calcium. Calcium. What is the atomic number of calcium? 20. Now let's see how to write calcium electronic configuration. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. Now 2 more electrons. After 3p, 3d or 4s, according to Offa principle, according to the increasing order of energy, which subshell have more energy than 3p 4s. Okay, so 3p 4s then 3d. This is order. 3p 4s 3d. So 3p then 4s. 4s how many electron maximum? 2. Now count it. 2 plus 2 4, 10 plus 6 10, 12, 18, 20. Okay, calcium 20. So like this we can write electronic configuration of any elements in the periodic table. Homework: write the subshell electronic configuration of following elements. Write the subshell electronic configuration of following elements. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, potassium 19, hydrogen 1, magnesium 12. Okay, so try to find out the answers. Okay, all the best. Thank you.